now we got everything cleared off of the pool deck. Just anticipation of the wind, make sure nothing blows around. Everything is up here underneath the porch. Got to make sure I see if I can put the storm shutters on the front entrance of this porch, and subsequently I'll get the rest of the windows, as many as possible as well. Just started to put up some storm shutters here. It's coming down pretty good. Forgot my shirt, so I guess I'm riding home topless like a spring breaker. But you got to do what you got to do. Fortunately, a very handy doctor lent me this drill bit here, so I can take off some of the storm shutter panels that are secured on the wall, and then of course put them up. So thank you for that. Everything's in on the porch. Got the storm shutters up here around the porch and the side windows. Kind of eerie, dark in here, but getting everything ready for the storm. Hopefully that'll do the trick, and hopefully we do okay. Shut the pool equipment off just to reduce any debris that may cycle through the filter should debris get into the pool and maybe blow through the pool screen. So finished at my short-term rental property here. Took me about, I don't know, 2 hours or so, but I put all the storm panels on, turned off the pool equipment, and brought any loose item in. With these situations, you're kind of relying a little bit on your neighbors to bring in, trash cans, things in the yard that are loose that could blow, because they kind of turn into missiles when the wind starts picking up. So hopefully we do okay, but I got to head up to another property. I have some tenants there, and they're supposed to have brought in a lot of loose items on the deck. So I'm not going to board that house up. There's no storm shutters, but I am going to go up and make sure all loose items are in. Just got back from running around, getting properties ready for the storm that should be here. Sounds like late tomorrow night and into early Thursday, but I had to run down to Naples with my short-term rental and put some storm shutters on, make sure all loose items were in so they don't blow around, and turn the power off to the pool, make sure the pool pump's not running. Then I had to go up to a rental property in Fort Myers and make sure help the family out there that we had some stuff on the deck, so I had to help them move some stuff into the shed and move some stuff into kind of the areas underneath cover. So that property looks pretty good. Also had to take pictures for insurance, so I had to take pictures at a few properties for insurance just in case there's any damage. Fortunately, I had family next to another property that I own, and they were able to take pictures for me. That family has left the property just in case they lose power, etc., just to kind of escape the hassle. I have two properties that are in mandatory evacuation zones, so kind of dealing with that, and just kind of monitoring the storm. Gonna check every few hours just to see if the path has changed. It looks like it keeps moving slightly north-south, so just kind of keeping an eye on everything, and making sure batteries are charged, and everyth's ready to go should we have to go right before maybe the storm is going to kind of start showing its effects here. But in the meantime, it's just most of the work's done, so just kind of monitoring. I'm about to catch my leg workout. I have yet to do my workout yet, so I'm going to hit my leg workout here at my home gym and keep an eye on the storm.